peanut butter bread pudding with coffee sauce recipe. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're whipping up a delectable treat that combines two of our favorite flavors, peanut butter and coffee. Get ready for a mouthwatering journey as we make peanut butter bread pudding with coffee sauce. Let's dive right in. Ingredients: 8 slices of day-old bread, cubed. 1 cup creamy peanut butter. 2 cups milk. 4 eggs. 1/2 cup sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. For the coffee sauce: 1 cup strong brewed coffee. 1/2 cup heavy cream. 1/4 cup sugar. 2 tablespoons butter. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a baking dish and set it aside. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together the milk, eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, and salt until well combined. Now, place your cubed bread into the prepared baking dish. Pour the milk mixture over the bread, making sure all the pieces are soaked evenly. Then, dollop spoonfuls of peanut butter over the bread mixture. Using a spoon or spatula, gently swirl the peanut butter into the bread mixture, creating a marbled effect. Bake the bread pudding for 40-45 minutes, or until it's set and golden brown on top. While the pudding is baking, let's whip up our delicious coffee sauce. In a saucepan, combine the strong brewed coffee, heavy cream, sugar, and butter. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Once it starts to thicken slightly, remove it from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Our peanut butter bread pudding is out of the oven and looking irresistible. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving. To serve, spoon generous portions of the warm bread pudding onto plates and drizzle with the rich coffee sauce. Trust me, folks, this combination of flavors is pure bliss. And there you have it, peanut butter bread pudding with coffee sauce. A dessert that's sure to impress any peanut butter or coffee lover. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy cooking. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.